Everybody, I welcome you to my today's wonderful lesson. So, I want us kindly to do questions under what you call position vector, particularly under vector. Okay, so if we are talking about vectors, it is allocated in both papers. Paper 1, it is allocated 2 marks, while paper 2, it is allocated how many marks? 5 marks. So we must get to understand to say position vector, it is where we need to understand paper 1, and also position vector, it can also enable us to have position vector from there. So if we look at position vector, from the introduction, from the word vector, a vector is any physical quantity having both magnitude and direction. Having both magnitude and direction. So every vector must have what you call the direction. Yes, we can see that. And now here we can see that something, it is ascending from A to B. So we must get to understand that the position, which is A, B vector, this one, it is where we do have the A vector. Are we getting the point from there? The distance from A to B, we can see where an arrow is pointing. It is pointing, or rather it is accelerating. So we can say AB is equals to positive vector, A vector. But now if at all we can see that the direction, it is changing its position. We can see the way it is changing its position, it is decelerating, okay, or rather it is retardating. So we must get to understand to say as long as it is retardating from there, it is coming from B to A. So the vector which is A, B, it will be what? Negative A. Why? It will be negative A vector. Why? This is because it is coming down, or it had to change the what? The direction. Yes, we can see that. And now what I need you to understand from there, it is how we are going to complete out this. So we must get to understand to say from the very source, this is AB from there. So every point of AB, from every point of our angle, every point must come from 0, from its origin. So our origin, it is O from there, which is standing as 0. So always this is our origin. But now here they are saying AB. So the first route we take, it is for what? For A. You can see that. Then the second route again from the origin, it is Z. It is what? It is B. I just want you to understand something here. So as you are moving from O to A, it is a positive value because of the direction. But now once you are moving from A to O, it is the negative value. Since you are changing the position, you are moving opposite the direction. But now we can see as you are moving from O to B, it is that you are increasing because it is where you follow the direction. Then when you are moving B, you are changing the direction, so you are going to reconsider the negative from there. So how can you move under position vector? How do we complete this? This is A, B. How we complete this is something that is very simple. We are going to say A, O, like that. A, O. Since we want to complete A, O, then plus O, B. Plus O, B. Guess we are seeing that vector. Okay, so now as we can see here, from the position vector, we can see that from AO, we are going opposite the direction. So this one happens to be a negative. Then this one we are going in accordance to the direction. So no need of the negative. So when we are going opposite the direction, what implies is that we are going to have a negative. Are we getting the point? So that is the way on how you complete out the position data. Okay, now let me assume that maybe you have x, y. For instance, we have x, y. How are you going to make this? You are going to have x, y vector, then x, o vector plus y vector. Yes, you can see that. But now this one, it is descending from there. Okay, so now that is it. So now let us kindly concentrate to the 2019 close we are writing final. 20, 19 to those who are writing final. So they are saying M it is the point 0,5 and GMN it is negative 3,4. Now they're saying find ON. Find the vector ON. So we must get to understand to say there is a difference between the coordinate. This represents that this is the coordinate where we have xy. Then now this is the vector column. So this one it is showing the vector column, the one that is in form of a matrix, while this it is what we call the coordinate of the vector. Okay, so that is it. So now we want to find the vector ON from there. We can see it is coming from the source, which is M like that. Vector is equals to here position vector. We are going to have M O, right? M O plus O N as our position vector. Then now what we are going to have from there is every time we are given what we call the coordinate, it's very much important we write it in form of a vector. So since we want to find ON, so we are going to reconsider what our MN is. Our MN it is negative 3, 4. So we are going to have our MN it is negative 3, 4. You can see that. Then is equals to. Here, remember it is a negative. So we are retardating from there. So if we consider M O from there, it is applied as you can see M it is the point. So we have given us the point which is our right negative because it is going opposite the direction. So negative 0, then 5, then plus ON vector. So ON, as I mentioned, it is what? It is what we call whatever we want to find. Okay, so from there, since we want to find ON from there, we are going to transpose this. This is negative 0, 5. So we are going to transpose this negative 0, 5 to this other part where we are going to change to be a negative. So we are going to have negative 3, 4 like that. Then this is a negative. Once that's crossed the equal sign, it becomes positive 0, 5 like that. Then is equals to 0 N or ON, sorry. Then now what we are going to have, negative 3 plus 0. The answer it is negative what? 3. Then now what is 4 plus 5? The answer it is positive 9. So our position vector of ON, it is what? It is negative 3, 9 from there. So that is the way on how we get to answer the question. So I will be posting a lot of videos so that you can get to be assisted under vector. Remember, this has been your tutor, Mr. Alvin. Bye bye.